Okay. So we'll wait for your friends to join in. Yes, Ishali is here. Ishali, good morning.
It's a nice time to talk also, right?
Lovely.
Online talking, right,
Yes,
Navya
so
and
we can
Anaya?
talk to each other, make new friends. Yes, Ishali, Navya, Shrishali, Anaya.
Good morning to you, friends.
Priyansh also. Okay, ma'am. So can we mute them all now?
Yes, ma'am. I
Let's
think
start
everybody
with
is
our morning
joining.
prayer. Okay.
So let me mute everybody first and then we will start with our morning prayer. Let's start this beautiful day with a beautiful prayer, okay? So let me mute everyone.
Good morning, Avni. Good morning, Priyansh. Yes,
Good morning,
Priyansh,
Avnish. Good morning,
can come
Priyansh.
closer to our screen. Yes, so let us start our morning with a beautiful prayer. Yes, we are singing God Bless Mommy Daddy. Okay, so let us start. If you all remember the song, sing along with me. Okay, God bless Mommy Daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. Bless the children here today. Bless the children far away. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Okay, so that was a nice morning prayer. So now we are all feeling a little bit lazy, yes, and sleepy. So can we first stand up? We'll do one action song. Come on. Let's all stand up. We'll do Hop Off Bunny song. Come on. Everyone, let's stand up. Come on, come on. Let's get away with your morning blues. Come on, come on. Let's start. We'll hop, hop, hop like a bunny. We'll hop, hop, hop like a bunny. We'll run, run, run like a dog. We'll run, run, run like a dog. We'll walk, walk, walk like an elephant. We'll walk, walk, walk like an elephant. We'll jump, jump, jump like a frog. We'll jump, jump, jump like a frog. We'll swim, swim, swim like a goldfish. We'll swim, swim, swim like a goldfish. We'll fly, fly, fly like a bird. We'll fly, fly, fly like a bird. Now we all will sit down and have some fun. Yes? Come on, let's have some fun now. Okay? So today we are going to start with a new story. Yes, a new story, a new day, a new story. So all eyes on screen. Yes, brace yourselves. We are going to listen to a new story, okay? Just a second.
You're so excited. We're going
Yes.
to listen to a new story by Eric Carle. Okay, children? We have done head to toe and today is a
Yes. So
new
the
story.
story's name is New Story, a Tiny Seed. Okay, the story's name is Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. So in this story, we are going to see a tree. Yes, a little tiny seed. Okay, so let's see his story. Just a second. Yes. The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. It is autumn. A strong wind is blowing those flower seeds high in the air and carries them far across the land. The seeds is tiny, smaller than any of the others. Will it be able to keep up with the others? And where are sails or sails on with the others? So there is a tiny seed, children. Okay, he cannot keep up with the others. The others move very small. It cannot run so fast, right? Now let's see what happens next in the story. Another seed lands on a tall and icy mountain. The ice never and the tiny seed is unable to keep up with the pace of others, right? Now let's see what happens next. Now all the seeds fly over the ocean. They are flying over the ocean. Okay, the wind is moving them. One seed falls into the water and drowns. So there are certain seeds that gets lost in the wake. One gets drowned, one gets covered up with snow. The others sail on with the wind. Just a second. Yes. But the tiny seed does not go as high as the others. So all the other seeds are blowing, they're flying over the ocean. But again, the tiny seed is very slow. It cannot keep up with the pace. One seed drifts down onto the desert. It is hot and dry. Deserts are hot and dry, right? And the seed cannot grow. Now the tiny seed is flying very low, but the wind pushes it on with the others. So one seed drifts down onto the desert. So the desert is very hot and dry, right? So one seed gets lost in the desert, but the tiny seed is still managing. Okay, it's slow in pace, but it is still managing. It is flying. Let's see what happens next in the story. So the tiny seed is making its journey, right? Finally, the wind stops and the seeds fall gently onto the ground. A bird comes by and eats one seed. The tiny seed is not eaten. It is so small that the bird did not see. Right? So the tiny seed was so small the bird did not see. So the bird started eating the other seeds, the seeds that was visible to him. The tiny seed was very small, so the bird cannot see the tiny seed. So he got saved. Yes, the bird is eating all the seeds. Now it is winter. After their long trip, the seeds settle down. They look just as if they are going to sleep in the earth. Snow falls and covers them like a soft white blanket. A hungry mouse that also lives in the ground eats a seed for his lunch. So a mouse came now, right? But the tiny seed lies very still and the mouse does not see it. So now the mouse has started eating the seeds. But again, the tiny seed is saved because it is very small. So the mouse cannot see it. Mouse could not see it. So he got saved. Now it is spring. After a few months, the snow has melted. The snow starts melting. It is really spring. Birds fly by. The sun shines. Rain falls. The seeds grow so round and full, they start to burst open a little. Yes, so the seeds are bursting open a little now. Now they are not seeds anymore. They are plants. Yes, so small plants have started growing from the seeds. First, they send roots down into the earth, right? The roots go deep down into the earth. Then their little stems and leaves begin to grow up towards the sun and air. Then there is another plant that grows much faster than the new little plant. So there are certain plants that grow much faster than the other plants, right? It is a big fat weed, and it takes all the sunlight and the rain away from one of the small new plants, and that little plant dies. The tiny seed hasn't begun to grow yet. It will be too late. Hurry! But finally it too starts to grow into a plant. So all the other plants are growing, children, but the tiny seed has not started to grow yet. So it needs to hurry up now. Yes, it needs to hurry up because the rain is falling, it is getting sunlight, it is spring season. Yes, and finally the tiny seed also starts to grow into a plant. The warm weather also brings the children out to play. They too have been waiting for the sun and springtime. One child doesn't see the plants as he runs along, and oh, he breaks one. Now it cannot grow anymore. Yes, so the warm weather brings the children out to play in the sun, right? So they too have been waiting for the sun. And one child stamps on one plant. Yes, and it breaks. One plant is broken. The tiny plant that grew from the tiny seed is growing fast. So the tiny seed is again saved from the children playing in the grass. Okay, but the tiny plant that grew from the tiny seed is growing fast, but its neighbor grows even faster. So all the other plants around him are growing faster than the plant from the tiny seed. Before the tiny plant has 3 leaves, the other plant has 7. And look, a bud, and now even the flower. So there is a flower besides him that is grown. But what is happening? First, there are footsteps, then a shadow looms over them. Then a hand reaches down and breaks off the flower. So someone comes and he plucks the flower. So the tiny seed is growing besides the flower. Okay, so the tiny seed has still only 3 leaves. Okay, it is still to grow yet to a nice flower, to a nice big flower. Now let's see what happens next when the flower gets plucked. The flower besides the tiny seed gets plucked. Yes, let's wait for the next page.
We are
Yes,
turning
so
pages.
a boy has picked the flower to give to a friend. So there was a boy who has plucked the flower and he gave the flower to his friend. Again, the tiny seed got saved because it is not grown yet. Otherwise, even it would have been plucked by the boy. It is summer. Now the tiny plant from the tiny seed is all alone. So it has the tiny seed, the tiny plant has become all alone. All the other flowers has been plucked. So it grows on and on and on. It doesn't stop. The sun shines on it and the rain waters it. It has many leaves. It grows taller and taller. It is taller than the people. It is taller than the trees. It is taller than the houses. And now a flower grows onto it. People come from far and near to look at it at this flower. It is the tallest flower they have ever seen. It is a giant flower. So the tiny plant has grown into a huge tree, yes, with lots of flower. And it has grown taller than the houses, than the people. Yes, can you see the flower that is so long, so tall? Yes, so the tiny seed is saved and it grew into a big flower. All summer long, the birds and bees and butterflies come visiting. They have never seen such a big and beautiful flower. So all the birds and bees and butterflies, they love the flower. They keep on visiting the flower. Yes, they have never seen such a beautiful flower. Now it is autumn again. The days grow shorter, the nights grow cooler, and the wind carries yellow and red leaves past the flower. Some petals drop from the giant flower and they sail along with the bright leaves over the land down onto the ground. So in the autumn, the petals of the flowers and the leaves of the flowers start falling because they get dried. Yes, all the petals start falling down onto the ground. So the flower is withering. All the petals and leaves are going off from the flower. Now let's see what happens next.
Such an interesting book, children.
Yes, the wind blows harder. The flower has lost almost all of its petals. Ooh, all the petals have gone. It sways and bends away from the wind. But the wind grows stronger and shakes the flower. Once more, the wind shakes the flower, and this time the flower's seed pod opens. Yes, the pod opens again. Out come many tiny seeds that quickly sail far away from the wind. So there were lots of seeds in the flower pod, okay, and again so many tiny seeds started flying and they fell on the ground. Okay, so that was the end of the story, children. So again, from the tiny seed new flowers will blossom. Okay, so that was a story, tiny seed. So
And
now can we all start with a nice craft? Yes, when we all take out our materials out, I'd ask for a white chart paper, paint, and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Watermelon seeds are also fine. Dried off pumpkin seeds. If you all have pista shells, that is also fine. Or if you all don't have anything, you all can use your paint and color it. Okay, you all can make your own flower. So I'm going to share my screen of what we are going to do right now.
what did we learn in this story? We learned about the seasons. We learned about parts of the plant, how the plants grow, right? Wasn't that fun to do it, children? Now you
Yes,
know all the parts of the
we
plant.
saw seasons like summer, autumn, winter, right? All these seasons we saw. We also saw rainy season when the rain was falling, right? We saw so many seasons, and also the parts of the plants, the roots that grow underground, then the stem that supports the plant, and the leaves. Yes, do you know that leaves are the kitchen of the plants? They make food for the plants. Yes, just like a mama makes food for us, leaves make food for the plants. So what we need to do is, if we have pumpkin seeds, we need to paint it or color it in different colors, and we need to make a nice tree with our brown crayon with its branches, trunk, and stick the pumpkin seeds around it.
We can unmute you also. You can unmute
If you all
yourself
have
and
any
do the
doubts,
activity.
yes, if you all have any doubts, let us know. We are going to unmute you. So we need to take our brown color or brown paint and start drawing a nice tree. You can take help of your mama. Yes, Navya, you want to ask me something?
It's okay, it's okay. Let them make noise. That's why we have unmuted them. But you do this activity also, okay? Let's
Yes.
do the activity and have fun for the tiny seed.
Yes, we are going to make flowers, a tree with tiny seed, pumpkin seeds.
Bless you, Ishali.
Wait.
Your tree need not be perfect. You can make it
Yes.
on your own.
Try
You
to
have
make it
fun.
on your own. You can take a little bit help of your mama. Make it
Yes, Avnish.
beautiful.
Avnish, you have it, beta. And Shreshthali, can you switch on the camera, please?
We are unable to see you, Shrishti.
What is a tree? You know what is
Yes,
a tree?
Shrishti, are we doing the activity?
You can bring the seeds, beta. You can ask Mama to
Have
help
seeds.
you.
Y'all can paint it. Y'all can use pista shells. Or if y'all don't want to do that, y'all can use cotton balls. Okay? Y'all can make small cotton balls and stick it. Paint it and stick it. In the song, we saw how a tiny seed grows into a big flower, and then when it withers, all the petals and leaves fall off in the autumn season, and the seeds also fall off from the flower pod. Yes, a flower pod. Have you all ever seen a sunflower? It has a flower pod in between, right? So when all the petals go off, the seeds again fall onto the ground, and then again a flower starts blooming from the seed. So this is a continuous process of the seeds. They grow into a big tree or flower, and then they give out seeds, and then out of them more flowers and more trees come out. More trees and flowers blossom.
After you do this activity, we are going to sing a nice poem also.
Yes.
It's about the seed only, but it will be in Hindi, okay? We'll have fun singing that song.
I'm going to sing it right now. Y'all can do the activity and y'all can listen to the song. Okay. It goes like this. It is a Hindi song, children. Okay. एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था, एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था, आंख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था, आंख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था, टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीज पे गिरती थी, टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीज पे गिरती थी, सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया, सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया, एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला, एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला, सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया, सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया, बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया, बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया, इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा, इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा, एक छोटा पौधा अब वृक्ष बन गया, एक छोटा पौधा अब वृक्ष बन गया, आस पास गांव में वो छाँव देने लगा, हा हा छाँव देने लगा, हा हा छाँव देने लगा. Yes.
Wow, that was nice. Once we do the activity, we will sing it again, ma'am, so
Yes.
that they can also do the actions and sing it
Yes.
with you.
We are going to sing it again, children, okay? And all the rhymes we are going to keep on repeating so that you all remember what we have learned, right?
So
It's a
who's
nice way
going?
to remember things.
Parents, if you could shift the camera towards them doing the activity, then we can also
That's
see
what
what
they're
we are
doing.
doing.
If you all have any doubts, raise your hands or message me in the chat box. I'll clear the doubt. You all can use your index finger also if you don't have pumpkin seeds or pista shells or cotton balls. You can also use your index finger to make the tree. But make sure that it is colorful, right? As shown in the picture.
Yes. Take little help and more activity will be done by the children. Okay? Okay, children? Even if it's not perfect, it's fine. Avnish, you don't have the seeds, beta? You can draw the tree.
Yes, you can draw the tree, use your finger. He's using pista shells,
The
is it?
shells. Very
Okay.
good. You also do it. Come on. Go and do it.
Avnish, but color the pista shells. It will look colorful. Yes, you can paint the pista shells. It will look colorful.
Very nice. Everybody's doing it. Anaya is also doing it.
Very nice, children. Excellent. Very good. How about Ishali? Yes, Ishali, are we doing it? Take very little help of Mama. Let's do it on our own. Yes, Kriyansh. See, all your friends are doing so much fun. They are having so much fun. They're doing the activity, making a nice, colorful tree.
Shrestali is also doing it. Make a nice tree with the seeds, okay?
Ishta is taking help from her sister. Yes, Shrestali? Very good. Excellent. Very good, Navya. Yes, Ishali's mama, if we could place the camera so that we can see the activity, how she is doing.
She's painting the seeds.
Yes,
Okay,
painting the
good.
seeds. Very good.
Well done. Come
Very,
on, Avnish, you also do the painting. Anaya, very nice, Anaya. She's sticking it.
very good, children. Excellent.
Anaya, you can unmute yourself. We didn't introduce ourselves, right? We are
Yes,
to our friends.
Yellow.
Hi, Anaya. My name
yes.
is
नया
Nidhi.
देखो ऐड करो
Children, we
नया
have a new friend, okay? Her name is Naya.
जोर से बोलो
Hello. What is your
Hello.
which school you go to, beta? You go to Aminara school? Okay. So that's why you and Navya are best friends, right? Navya knows you. Good. Carry on with your activity. Do it nicely, huh?
Yes.
Wow, Navya is done.
Wow, Navya, beautiful. Very
Beautiful.
nice. Good job.
Well done, Navya.
Yes, Shrestali, how about you?
Let it dry now, okay? All your paints and all. I can, if you there is paint on your hand, you can go and wash it as well, okay?
And keep all your crafts properly in a folder. Yes.
After we do this activity, we'll sing the song one more time. Okay? So, ma'am, you repeat, you do one line, then I'll repeat, then they'll sing with me. So then
Yes.
even they will get a chance to sing.
Okay. Let me know when to start. And then we are going to sing the rhyme again. And then we are going to play a small game. Okay? A small game.
Yes, we are going to go on a treasure hunt in our home. All right? You'll have to bring some things that come on the screen.
Yes, we are waiting for Anaya, Shrestali, Ishali. Who else is done? Yamnish is also painting.
Good job, everyone. Everybody's busy, busy, busy doing so many things, right? Navya is done with her craft. You can continue with your craft, okay, children? So this was a new story that we read today, The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle.
And we are going to read this story tomorrow also. Okay?
This was all about the how the seed becomes a flower and about seasons.
A big flower that is tall than people, then houses, then other trees. Yes? It took time to grow, but when it grew so tall, isn't it?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes.
So everybody, we should be slow and steady, not be in a hurry. Because when you're in a hurry, you might make some mistake.
Slowly, steadily, we grow, we learn, right? We all are also tiny seeds.
Yes. Navya, Shrestali, Kriyansh, Avnish, Ishali, Anaya, they are all tiny seeds.
Yes, you all are growing with knowledge. Yes, learning so many things. One day you will become like Mama and Papa, right? Taller than Mama and Papa. Yes. So, ma'am, can we sing the rhyme once again?
Ma'am, they are still doing the activity, I think. Just
Okay.
wait 1 moment.
Yes, Ishali, are we done? How about Avnish, Rishtali, Anaya? Only Navya is done. Priyansh is not to be seen. Priyansh, can we please come back?
They are still busy doing the activity. Ishali is painting her seeds.
Wow, Ishali, very nice.
Once you're done painting, you can stick it, okay? Yes, Navya. What is Navya doing now? Wait, we'll unmute her. What is Navya?
Navya is pasting more seeds now.
Oh, she wants
Oh,
more
wow.
seeds. She wants more and more. Okay, okay. Do it, do it. Okay, good, good. Continue. What is Ishali doing?
Yes, Rishtali, we are unable to see what you're doing because there's lots of sunlight coming. Yes, very good, Srishtali. I can see a nice tree. What are you going to stick on that? Or you're just going to paint it?
He's painting.
Very good.
I think the children are loving doing this activity, so they don't want to stop with this. They're wanting painting more seeds and pasting more seeds. What is Ishali doing?
Ishali, tell ma'am, what are you doing?
Can I do painting?
You're painting.
You're painting? What are you painting? Seeds?
With seeds, pumpkin seeds?
Seeds.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Priyansh?
just one suggestion. Can we do the painting today and sticking tomorrow?
Okay,
Yeah,
let
no
it
problem.
dry. No problem.
Yes.
Yeah, let it be dry and
No problem. No
as it is,
problem.
they're enjoying
You
painting.
can,
They're
you can
enjoying
share
the painting more.
you can
Yeah.
share the picture
Let
with
them
us.
do it.
Probably you can send the pictures to Needy ma'am and she'll share it with us. No problem at all. You can do it later after the session also. Yes, Priyansh. We are seeing your head right now. Your back.
आप कर रहे हो प्रियांश painting?
Very good, Navya. Very nice.
Yes.
Very
Well done. Okay, so if even Anaya is done with the sticking, I think.
Yes.
Even Avnish is done with the sticking.
Yes. Avnish has painted the pistachios.
Has
Very good.
pasted. Okay, very nice.
Very nice. You
You
can
can
color
color the
the
tree.
trunk and the branches of the tree brown. Okay, Avnish? Later on. Okay, no problem. If you cannot finish it within the session, you can do it later on and send the pictures to Needy ma'am and she's going to share it with us. Okay.
Very nice, Anaya.
Very good, Anaya. It's looking beautiful. Very nice.
Seeds to ma'am. Show your seeds to ma'am.
Let you
Show it.
rest.
Wow.
So many seeds
Very
you
good,
colored.
Ishali. So many seeds you've painted. Now let it dry and then you can stick it
Let
later,
it
okay?
dry, then stick. Okay.
Good girl, Ishali. Good
Yeah.
girl.
You want to
Well
paint
done.
more?
You want to
Now
paint
we'll.
more? Painting, she likes
She
painting.
likes using these poster colors. So full day she can paint.
Yes, painting is a favorite
Painting do later
activity
on.
of everyone.
Painting is your favorite activity. Good.
ये वाला करें.
But now you know what we'll do? We'll play a game, okay?
Yes.
Okay, now
Shall we
let's
play
play
a
a game.
game?
This ma'am ने बोला ये ma'am ने homework
If you
बोला.
want to wash your hands, children, you all
Sure,
can
ma'am.
do that. You all can go and quickly wash your hands and come back.
I mean, Shrestali has painted her seeds, but then she can stick afterwards, okay?
Afterwards. No problem, children. All the activities that we do, it's not compulsory that you finish it in the session. You can do it later on and then send it to us, okay?
Yes, please send the photos to Nidhi ma'am. We enjoy seeing the finished work of
Yes.
all of what you have done. Okay?
Ma'am, before we start the game, can we first sing the rhyme once again?
Yes, ma'am. We'll wait for everybody to come back. Shrestali, please come, beta. We are going to sing Ek Chota Beach.
And this time, you all need to sing, okay? Along with Sweetie ma'am, okay? Along with Yashashri ma'am, we are going to
Yes.
sing.
So, Kriyansh, come on, sit, beta. And Ishali is coming. We'll wait for Ishali to come.
And Shrestali too. Where is Shrestali? Please come back. We are singing a nice rhyme. I'm
Yes,
sure you
Shrestali.
remember it. Yes?
Oh, she's
Yes,
here.
she is. Okay, Ishali is also back. So let us start with the rhyme, okay? You all sing along with Yashashri ma'am, okay?
Let's do the actions. Come on, let's be ready.
एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था.
Saban, sing with me, okay? एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था.
आंख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था.
आंख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था.
टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीज पे गिरती थी.
टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीच पे गिरती थी.
सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया.
Come on, let's do the actions. सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया.
एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला.
एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला.
सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया.
सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया.
बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई
बीज
और वो उठ गया.
बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया.
इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा.
इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा.
एक छोटा पौधा जब वृक्ष बन गया.
एक छोटा पौधा अब वृक्ष बन गया.
आस पास गांव में वो छाव देने लगा.
आस पास गांव में वो छाव देने लगा.
हा छाव देने लगा.
हा छाव देने लगा.
Yes, so that is a nice rhyme on our tiny seed story. Okay, so we are going to repeat this rhyme tomorrow and learn a new rhyme. Okay, so now let's play a nice game, children.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just
All
share.
are ready for some fun? Be ready. We need to get some things. Okay.
We are going to go on a treasure hunt in our home. So I will select the numbers today. So then we can quickly play the game. Okay. So let's start. Everybody, you have to go and ring. Mama or Papa will not go and ring. Okay. That is the fun. So let's start with number 6. What's there? Can you find a pencil? Come on. Go, 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 go.
Quickly.
Run. Find a pencil.
Run
Anaya,
around the house and bring the stuff.
let's go, let's go. Did you
Pencil, Ishali, pencil, not a sketch pen. Pencil.
pencil? Can you find a pencil?
Very good. Anaya has got it. Shrestali, Avnish, very nice.
Okay.
Very good.
So this is a treasure hunt, huh? Anaya has got it. Great.
Very nice.
Very good. So let's check it. Okay, it's okay. Well done. Now let's go to the next number. Which number? Abracadabra. Oh, no, this already happened. So let's see what happened. Ah, this is very simple. Can you find a spoon? Let's go to the kitchen.
Spoon. Let's go to the kitchen and
Go, go,
quickly
go,
get
go,
a
go, 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 go.
spoon.
Hurry, hurry, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Very good. All are running.
Yes, you have to bring it, not your mama or papa. Okay.
Yes. You have to run and bring it.
Well done, well done. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shrestali has bought the spoon.
Very
Navya has bought
good.
it.
Excellent.
Ishali has bought it. Very good. Avnish has bought it. Yes. Anaya has bought it. Well done.
Good. All are winners. Everyone got the spoon. Very nice.
Quick. Everybody's super quick. Now, let's see. Oh, can you find a potato in your home? Run.
Potato. Oh, Shishtali already has it. Yes. That potato activity, children, we are going to do it tomorrow. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
very good. Anaya also has it. Very nice.
So you keep the potato in the fridge, okay? I mean, if you have cut it, keep it in the fridge. It will not spoil, okay? So because then you'll not be able to again if we do activity. So let's go, let's go. Can you find a book? Because we are turning pages.
Yes.
So you need to find a book. Come on, come on. Yes, Shrestali has got
Shishtali, very
it.
good.
Very nice. Come on, Anaya, let's go. We are going on a treasure hunt.
Very good. Navya also got it. Very nice. How
Anaya
about
also got
Ishali?
it.
Anaya also got it.
Ishali also got it. Ishali bought her brother's book, I think. Oh,
Avnish,
you have a
Avnish.
big
Where are you,
brother.
Avnish? Avnish, yes, you got
Avnish
it.
is bringing it.
Okay. Let's go for the next one.
Avnish has not come, ma'am.
Yes, where is Avnish?
Come on, come on, come on.
I saw his hand actually. I don't know. Oh, he's back.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
nice.
So let's go to the next number. This everybody will know where it is. Can you find it? Can you find the remote control? Come on, come on, come on.
Control. Very good.
Avnish
Shrestali.
has Shrestali has it.
Very
Okay.
good. Avnish has two, ma'am.
Two remote controls. Oh, okay.
Very good.
Kriyansh, come on, show us your remote control. Ishali got it. Well done, Navya.
Very good, children. Excellent.
And I
Very
also
nice.
got it. Oh my, this is fun, right? Fun. So let's go to the next number. Can you find something purple in your home? It can be anything. Red,
Purple.
crayon. Navya was there ready with her sketch pen. Great. She got it. And okay, you have that glass with you.
Very good, Anaya. Very nice. Yes. Shrestali has a book.
Shrestali
Which
has
is
a book
purple
which
in
is
color.
purple in color.
Avnish has a toy. Even Ishali has a toy. A trophy. Wow, Ishali, that's a trophy. Purple trophy. Very nice.
Purple trophy. Very nice. Great. Great children. Now let's go to the next one. Can you find something red? Quickly.
Red. Oh, wow. Come on, let's quickly go. and
Okay,
find
Navya, you
something
found it.
Wow,
Ishali also
Anaya,
found it.
very nice. Even Ishali has got it.
Avnish is bringing it.
Shrestali is showing her clothes. She's
Ah,
wearing
even
Very
Navya
nice.
has a red t-shirt. She also doesn't have to bring anything.
Yeah.
You can just show
Very
your
smart.
t-shirt.
Very good.
The
Very
cap
good.
also.
Very nice.
Very nice children. Well done. What did Acha? Ishali also bought something? Where is she running? Okay. She bought that. Okay. Great.
Very good.
Now Anaya got it. Now let's go to the next. Quickly. Oh, do you have an apple at home?
Apple. Come on. Let's
Run,
quickly
run,
go.
run, 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 run,
Bring
run.
the apple.
Let's bring apple. Let's do it.
If you all don't have apple, you all can bring a tomato. Okay, that is also fine.
Yes. Okay, Ishali got it.
Very good, Anaya, Ishali. Very nice. Very good,
Navya got
Navya.
it.
Shrestali.
Shrestali
Very
got
nice.
it.
Yes, Avnish is still finding apple.
Anaya, you got it?
Yes, ma'am, she got it.
Okay, great.
Very good. Avnish, where's your apple? You don't
Don't
have
have
apple,
apple.
bring a tomato. That is also fine.
Yes, he's going to bring the tomato.
Tomato, okay.
Come on, run, run, run if you have it. Bring.
Run, quickly bring it.
So we'll wait for Avnish. He bought it. Hey.
Good.
Now let's go to number 1. Can you find a shoe? This is so
A
simple.
shoe, simple.
It'll be there in your shoe rack. Come on, children, you have to bring it.
Run to your shoe rack and bring a shoe.
Let's bring it. Let's bring it.
Wow, Ishali got it.
Shrestali has
Ishali
it.
has it. Very good. Anaya, Navya still bringing it.
Oh,
Avnish
it's
got it.
skates. Okay, Shrestali has skates on that.
Very good. Excellent, children. Amazing.
Done. So great, huh? Everybody is the treasure hunter now. Oh, can you find an egg? If you have it at home, it's fine. If you don't eat egg, then you might not be having it. It's
Yes.
fine. But if you have it, you can bring it. If you don't have it, don't bring it. It's okay.
Egg. Okay, Anaya and Navya do not
They
have
don't.
egg.
Or
No
you can
problem.
bring something white in color.
Yes, garlic probably. Garlic. You all can bring garlic.
White in color if you want. You have white paint.
White paint, white garlic. Yes.
Shrestali has
very
the
good.
egg
Ishali
with
got
her.
egg. Very nice. Yes. Navya showing
Okay.
paint.
Ishali has it.
Very good. Excellent. You can also bring a toy in white color. Okay, no problem. Yes, Avnish has a toy. Very good.
Yes, even Anaya has bought something, sugar or flour, I think. Okay, great.
Or flour or salt.
Now let's go to the next number. Oh, this is very simple. Can you find a mobile phone?
Mobile phone.
Avnish is ready with that.
Yes, Anaya is also ready. Very good. Come on, Navya, run around the house, find a mobile phone and come back.
This is fun, right? Okay, Shrestali also found it. Very good.
Good. Avnish got it, right?
Yes, he got it.
Okay, very nice student.
Well done. Kriyansh, you can also show your mobile phone, baby. Ishali also got it. Now give it back to your mama, okay? Once we find it, we give it back.
Yes, we give it back.
Now let's go to the next. Can you find something blue? Anything blue? Toy, dress. Ah, yes, Navya, correct.
Yes, very good, Shristali. Very nice.
She has a scarf with her. Good. Ishali has anything blue? Any blue colors? Which one? Pillow is blue.
Is also blue. Yes, Avnish
Okay.
also got something.
Great children, great. You're all bringing blue things. Good. Now, let's go to the next one. Do you have a fork in the kitchen? Can you find a fork? So
Oh,
much running around, right? Morning, we're doing so much running around, but it's
Yes.
good. We're having fun. We are running around.
very good, children.
We found the fork. It's a fork. Okay, Avnish has it. Navya has it. Anaya has it. Who else? Shrestali is gone to bring it, I think. Ishali, did you bring fork? Great, great. Shrestali also bought it. Well done, well done. Now, can you find a teddy bear? Quickly, we have 3 more things to do only, and then we are going to dance, okay?
Teddy bear, any soft toy, teddy bear.
Yes, ma'am. After this, we will just 2 more things to do, and then we will end our game, treasure hunt game.
Wow,
Okay.
Vanaya, such a big teddy bear. Wow.
Shrestali, very nice.
Shristali, Navya, very good.
Wow, Anaya, very nice. You can sit on that teddy bear.
Yes, Avnish also got it. Very good. Ishali, very nice. Okay, 2 more things to go.
Oh, can you find a flower? It's a little difficult.
Flower. It's a bit difficult. If you all have a toy flower, that is also fine. Or if you all have anything in yellow, that is also fine because flower is in yellow color, right?
Yes, you can bring something yellow.
Yes, Shrestali has a book in yellow. We'll
Shrestali
have a
has a
toy flower, that is also fine. Very
Yes,
good.
Anaya has bought something like a flower, I think. Yes,
Yes,
Anaya.
very good.
Nice, nice.
Anything in yellow is also fine. Let's wait for Navya. And who else is remaining? Avnish got it. Very good, Navya.
Navya has a flower, okay.
Wow, very nice.
Ishali has something like a flower, okay.
Ma'am, Avnish got the flower. Very nice.
Very nice. Even Ishali got it. Very nice.
Wow. Very good, children. Excellent.
Okay, great. Now the last one. Okay, again you'll have to run for this. Can you find a bowl?
Bowl. Again in the kitchen. Come on.
Oh, Navya has it with her ready. Did you know what we had, Navya, next? That's why she kept it ready.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Well done.
Anaya.
So we have a bowl with us. Great. Super. Great, you won.
Very good, children.
Everybody. Well done.
Very good. Everyone did very well. Very nice, children.
Clap for your
So
friends and clap for yourself.
Let's clap for ourselves. Very good. And clap for your friends as well. Very nice.
Well done, well done. Great job, everyone.
Now, some more movement. Yes. Can we all stand up? Let's do a one action song.
Come on, let's stand up.
We are all going to dance and then we are going to end our session. Okay. Come on, let's get up from our place.
We have to move around, okay? No sitting now. Move. Ma'am, are you showing a video? Okay. Can you start it again, ma'am? Run like a tiger, come on. Stop.
Yeah. Come on. Clap your hands. Jump. Come on, there's no more time. song.
Yay, we did it.
It was fun, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, it was fun.
Yeah. Now. Yes.
You can send
Okay.
photos, ma'am, we'll just tell them to send photos of their activity to Nidhi ma'am so we can also see
Yes.
it nicely. Okay, children?
Yes, you all can send the activity photos to Nidhi ma'am and she'll send it to us and we love to see the activity photos of yours, okay? So now
You all
it
did
is
such
time
a
for us
great
to sing
job.
our bye-bye song, right? We are going to sing our bye-bye song. So let us do it.
We say goodbye.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say
Say
goodbye.
Now it's time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We'll see you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow. Bye, Anaya, Ishali, Navya. Bye. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Bye.